We're taking a closer look at the Maestro 300 by MSI. This headset for gaming is really ideal, and let me tell you why. Because there's a couple of things right out of the box that I was really surprised with. The first thing being that it does come with the mesh, really comfortable mesh kind of pads, ear pads, but, and this is the coolest thing, they even give you the ones that have the pleather instead. So if you like to have that kind of like leather cushiony on your ears, on your head, well, you can replace them. It comes with both. So it comes with this one, this pack, and it comes with this pre-installed already. I think that's a really cool thing because everybody's different. I know that I really like the breathable mesh a lot better when I'm gaming, when I'm doing, when I'm doing kind of like that whole like talking and for hours and hours, whether I'm on a Zoom call or on a game, multiplayer and all that. I tend to sweat a little bit with this. That's just me. Again, everybody's different. That's the really cool thing about these things. And then, of course, it is a wired headset because it is important to have a wired headset when you're talking about gaming, because this is mostly for gaming. It's got a USB-C end, but as you know, some consoles do not have the USB-C capability, which is why they give you, and this is included in the package, in the box, they give you that USB-C to USB-A adapter, so you can plug it in and straight plug it in, boom, done, and then I can put that into my PlayStation, my Xbox, what have you. Doesn't matter at all. And then you might be wondering, well, this is great, but this is supposed to have a mic, like a headset, right? A proper headset with a mic. Well, it does, and the mic is right here. And that's what I think is really cool, because if I'm just using this as a headset without the capability of mic, I can literally just unplug it and the mic comes off, no questions asked, no problems whatsoever, and then it's just a regular headset. But if I want to plug it in, and check this out, I just plug that in right here at, there's a like little 3.5 millimeter right here insert, plug in, and then the mic here is there. This is a Cardioid mic, meaning it won't pick up everything around your environment. It will actually just be for the wearer. So and speaking of wearing it, I'm wearing it right now. I'm not playing anything because it's not hooked up. As you can see, it's not hooked up at all, so I'm not listening to anything. But I don't know, I hope my voice is the same, because right now I already feel like I'm in my own bubble, own environment. It is really, really nice, compressed. It's not too, it's very lightweight, but look at this. This mic is really nice and sturdy. Yes, you can adjust this and move it around, but again, it is made for the wearer, so it's not going to pick up any sounds around you. It will be for me and will be extremely, it'll be a step up, especially with the people that I'm gaming with. They're probably going to be like, oh, whoa, this is completely different. What did you do with your old mic? Well, I got the MSI upgrade. Where? Right. And then speaking of the actual, yeah, I'm taking it off right now. It does feel like I've got completely noise reduction feeling here. It really does feel like it's noise canceling, but it's not. It just perfectly englobes my ears, which is really, really nice. But yeah. As far as the cushioning on top, it is extremely comfortable to wear, and that's the really good thing to have, because of course you want comfort. You'll be wearing these for a super long time on your head, and yeah, very, very nice. And then when I don't want to use this, I just unplug it, and then I'm ready to go. I can just enjoy some music, listen to my favorite TV show, my podcast, whatever. That's what makes it really ideal. Love the fact that it is full-on flexible, really easy to just kind of like adjust any type of head. And again, a big plus is to have these replacement, the little leather pads or the mesh pads. I think that's a really cool thing. Definitely going to be my new go-to headset when I'm gaming for sure. MSI, well done. And they look great.